Hi everyone, today we test EJEAS motorcycle intercom with a camera. Also this is mesh intercom. Yes, so today we want to introduce a special technology, also a special function. This is the channel switch. Only our mesh intercom have, other brand don't have. So I will show you some details about this function. Firstly, power on. And then mesh connect. And now let's talk with each other. Hi, Carrie.
Hi, Polly. I can
Yes,
hear you.
I can hear you. So now both of us in the first channel, we can talk normally. She can hear me. So, but now I don't want to talk with her, and I don't want to listen her sound. So we need to switch channel, switch to different channel. Press these two buttons to switch channel. Okay, I'm in the channel 2 and my colleague are now in the channel 1, right?
5.
You're in the 5? Okay, she in the channel 5 and I in the channel 2. So let's talk. Hi, Carrie.
Okay, I can hear you.
Oh, let me check again. Hey, Carrie?
No.
No? Yes, she can't hear me because we're in different channels. So now we switch to the same channel. We switch to channel 3, okay? Okay. This button and this button. Okay, now I'm in the channel 3 and you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk. Sorry. Hi.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yes,
Very
I can
clearly.
hear you too.
Yeah.
Yes, because we are in the same channel, the channel 3. So, why we want to do this function? The first reason is when you are riding, you will in many different environments and many different situations. Sometimes some other Bluetooth service signal will influence our intercoms. So if you think this channel, the sound quality or something are not so good, you can switch the channel. You can choose a better channel to adjust the sound quality and to avoid the influence by some environment. This is the first reason. And the second reason is if you don't want to talk with one guy, you don't want to talk with him, but you still need to talk with the others, you can switch the channel to 1 or 2 and let all your friends charge to the same channel. So you and your friend can talk with each other, but the one you don't want to talk, he also in his channel, so he can listen your guys talking. Or when you wanna tell some secret with your girlfriend, you can switch the channel with your girlfriend in one channel, so you two can talk and others can listen. Yes, so this is the 2 reasons we do this function. Okay, thank you.
EJEAS Mesh Intercom experts.